Hi, Kevin Keener with Trademark Complete. So, you need a specimen of use whenever you are getting a trademark registration. This can be filed either at the time of filing the application, as in a 1A application, or it can be filed later after you receive a notice of allowance under a 1B or intent to use application. So what is a specimen? A specimen essentially is evidence showing the trademark office how you are using the mark in conjunction with the goods or services that you want to protect. So if you are registering a mark for a product, such as a set of kitchen utensils, a basketball, what have you, then you need to show a picture of your basketball or your set of kitchen utensils with the trademark. The best way for products is to actually have the physical product with the mark on it. So for clothing, this can be a label on the neck of the shirt, a tag on the side, something, a word that is on the physical clothing, or printed on the front. If it's like a t-shirt or a sweatshirt with printing, you can have the word printed on the front of the shirt. That is the best type of specimen for a product. Also for product, you can have the product packaging where the trademark is on the product packaging and it shows the product inside the box. That would be an acceptable specimen of use. If you are selling this on a website, you can have those same type of pictures on a website. Again, the best type of specimen though is one that shows the physical product with the mark on the physical product or closely associated with it. Whenever you are doing a service, on the other hand, it's much harder to provide a service with the trademark on top of the service. It's just not physically possible. So what is needed instead is something that shows a description of the service you are providing, and it shows the mark in a big way that it is standing out as a trademark. It is in taller font, it's up at the top of the page. In some way it links between the mark and the goods and services, that they are closely associated. So you know whenever you look at the specimen that the trademark goes with those services that are being registered. Usually whenever I file applications like this for services, great specimens can be found from clients on the internet. I just simply get on their website and can create a specimen from their website, and it usually describes enough of what happens. What you need for something like this, if you don't use a website or like a brochure, you need to have contact information on it. So there's some other requirements included, such as having contact information and a buy here. Those are some of the things that the trademark examiners look for when they look for services in the mark that you can purchase or somehow take that next step if you want to actually engage the consumer or engage the product owner in engaging their services and hiring them for that. So that is specimens, and thank you very much and happy trademarking.